All right, some people have had questions about how to post information to Aspen for students to be able to see, so I'm going to do a quick how-to. I've logged into my Aspen. The first thing you're going to have to do is make sure you can actually see the announcements on the front page. So you should be on your pages, which is the default when you log in. If you can't see announcements, go over here to where your name is, click the drop down and hit Set Preferences. The second tab, which says Home, make sure you have announcements checked. That's important. If you don't have announcements checked, you can't edit them. So make sure announcements is checked, click OK, bada bing, bada boom, you're in. Once you've got announcements up, hit Edit. That will bring you to an area where you can create and edit announcements. To create a new announcement, hit the New plus. You're going to want to put in start and end dates for when your announcement will be visible. If you don't include dates, it will never be visible. So you need to make sure you include dates. Because the student schedules are not yet finalized, we don't actually want the announcements to be visible for students yet. So I believe Tracy recommended that we do the end of next week. So next Friday, you can choose whatever end date you want. I just did the end of the year, but it's up to you. And then down here in this box, you can see where you can type in your announcement. You've got all your font editing options, try not to go too nuts. You can also include links if you would like to. That's what I did with mine. I included a link to a page that has all of the Google Classroom information and how to sign up for talking points and what supplies would be needed, things like that. So, this is my announcement. If I could type, that would be great. The other thing you need to do is go over to visibility and figure out which classes you want to be able to see this announcement. If you want, you can do one class gets one announcement and then create a separate announcement for each of your classes, or if you have multiple preps, you can have certain announcements visible for certain courses. For me, I've got just a whole slew of honors freshmen, so for my announcement I checked all of them, but it's up to you how you want to do that. Just make sure that if you're only doing some classes with one announcement, that you have something else going up for your other courses that you need information available for. So you can save that, save here. You must select at least one class, so make sure you've got those checked. So this is what I have posted. So this is welcome to my English class. Click here to find your Google Classroom join code and a list of supplies. And so this is where, this is just a Google Doc that students have a view-only access to. And I have my visibility set. It was actually previously set to be visible already, and I had students emailing me, so I'm gonna just shift that later. But that's all you gotta do. Make sure you hit save, and you're golden. You'll see that it's not here because it's not visible yet. It won't be visible for another 10 days. But you can play around with it, see what posts. Just remember that anything that you do post is gonna be visible to whoever you've checked, so those students and parents would be able to see whatever you post. Good luck.